Hello everyone, Richard here and welcome to a new weekly overview here on AltCryptoTalk. Today we are twisting things up. Instead of going for our usual series, 5 tokens starting with a certain letter, I'll be analyzing 5 tokens around a very strong rejection zone, the 0.5 round number. 5 tokens that you can buy as cheap as 50 cents. So let's get started, and of course don't forget to smash that like button and let me know which series you like more. Starting with OP, we have been overall bearish, making low highs and low lows in the shape of this falling channel marked in orange, and it's currently approaching the low bound of it, which intersects perfectly with the 0.5 round number. Medium term, we are trading within the 0.5 and 1 round number for the push to take over. Long term and push towards the 2 round number upper bound of the channel, a break above the 1 round number is needed. Meanwhile, from a shorter term perspective, for the push to take over and target the 0.91 resistance zone, a break above the last major high at 0.72 is needed. Meanwhile, OP would remain overall bearish, and this is simply a correction phase. If the last low is broken downward, one more bearish impulse towards the 0.5 will be expected, where of course we'll be looking for new short-term longs. Next, we've got SushiSwap. On daily time frame, it's currently trading within this big range between 0.5 and 0.8. For the bulls to take over long term, a break above the 0.8 is needed. Meanwhile, we are still overall bearish, and we lately, last week, rejected the 0.5 round number. Short term on H4 time frame, the bulls already took over by breaking above the last high at 0.535. For the bulls to remain in control, a break above the upper trend line and this last major high at 0.6 is needed. Meanwhile, as we retest the 0.45, 0.5, we'll be looking for new short-term longs. STX, weekly time frame around the massive support zone. As you can see, we are trading within this flat rising channel. We've got our big correction phase currently, and we are still around the low bound of this big range. So of course we'll be looking for short-term longs targeting the 1 round number, and for the push to take over long term, a break above the 1.1 would be needed. In this case, a movement towards the 2 round number would be expected. Medium term from daily time frame, for the push to take over and push towards our target at 1 round number, a break above the 0.66 last major high and upper trend line is needed. Meanwhile, we can still push lower, and as we retest the 0.4, 0.5 support zone and round numbers, we'll be looking for new short-term longs. S or Sonic, previously or formerly FTM, it's currently hovering within this big range. For the push to take over long term, of course, a break above the 0.6, 0.66 is needed. Meanwhile, short term, the bulls already took over by breaking above this previous high marked in orange. For the bulls to remain in control, a break above this last major high at 0.532 is needed. In this case, our target would be around the 0.62. Meanwhile, if this low is broken downward, further bearish movement towards this demand zone at 0.38 would be expected, where we'll be looking for new short-term longs targeting the 0.5 round number again. Last but not least, WLD, Worldcoin. From a weekly time frame, weekly perspective, we are also rejecting the 0.5 round number. Daily time frame, we are bearish, and for the bulls to take over and target the 1.5 round number and resistance zone, a break above the 0.85 is needed. Meanwhile, of course, just like all previous 4 altcoins, if we push towards the slower band again around 0.5, we'll be looking for new short-term longs. Let me know in the comments which series you like more, the latter one or the rejection zones around the previous or common rejection like 0.5, 5, 1 round number, maybe 10 round number next. And I'll see you hopefully on the next one.